Welcome to China Banking. Tutorial number 2. How do I start using my mobile banking app? The China Bank mobile banking app sends transaction alerts and notifications to your mobile phone number and/or email address. Get started using your China Bank online banking credentials. Step 1. Download the mobile banking app from App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Open the mobile banking app and click Sign Up. Step 3. Read the terms and conditions of use, then click Accept. Step 4. Select the Register using Internet banking credentials as preferred mode of registration and provide the required details. Step 5. Enter the one-time password that will be sent to your registered mobile number to proceed. Step 6. Fill out the required information, then confirm and submit. Congratulations! You have successfully registered to China Bank Mobile Banking. A one-time activation code will be sent to your registered email. Use the one-time activation code on your initial login.